Hello, dear students. Very good morning. Are you enjoying the sessions? Not only in our subject, that is FM2. In general, I am asking. Are you enjoying all the sessions in all the subjects? All the online video lecture classes? Okay, fine. Thank you. So, in the last class, we have discussed in detail and understood about various alternative forms of gradually varied flow equations for a wide rectangular channel based on both Manning's equation, that is for velocity v is equal to so and so, and based on Chedji's equation also we have seen v is equal to c multiplied by under the root rs. Fine. So we have derived the equation, or we come to know how to get the equation for a wide rectangular channel. Dy by dx is equal to s naught whole multiplied by 1 minus yn divided by y whole cube whole divided by whole divided by whole divided by 1 minus yc by y whole cube, where yn is the normal depth, y is the depth of the flow in the channel, s naught is the bed slope, yc is the critical depth. Is it not so? So we got that equation here. You know the references. I have already on that day also had told. Now also I am saying, since beginning we have been saying. Thank you. Next we will continue with this. Classification of channel bed slopes. Bed slope of the channel has been classified into different names. Say mild slope, horizontal slope, steep slope, etc. Let us see. In a given channel, there are two fixed depths as normal depth of flow, that is uniform, and critical depth of flow, YC. So these are the two fixed depths in an open channel. If discharge Q, rugosity coefficient N, and bed slope S0 are fixed, there may be following cases with respect to the values of Yn and Yc. That means when you are comparing the value of Yn and Yc, we can come to a conclusion that the slopes are given with different names. So how it is possible, we will see. First of all, when Yn is greater than Yc, if Yn becomes greater than Yc, I will take the red color pen. If Yn becomes greater than Yc, then we call it as mild slope, represented as capital M. That comes under subcritical flow. Means for mild slope, the flow should be subcritical. That is the meaning. You have to understand in that way. With respect to value of normal depth and critical depth, Yn should always be greater than Yc. Then it becomes subcritical flow. Accordingly, the bed slope is called as mild slope. Right? Every time I need not have to repeat all these. In the similar way, when Yn is less than Yc, that means supercritical flow and steep slope, represented by S. If Yn is equal to Yc, critical slope means critical flow. S0 is equal to 0, then horizontal bed H cannot sustain the uniform flow. S0 is equal to 0, adverse slope cannot sustain uniform flow. Above cases, whatever we have seen, can be used to classify the channels on the basis of slopes. That means For each of the 5 categories of channels, lines representing the critical depth and normal depth, if it exists, of course. Sometimes these critical depth and normal depth may not also exist. How and when it will not exist and when both will exist, different cases we will see. And these depth lines, normal depth and critical depth lines, can be drawn in the longitudinal section. These would divide the whole flow space into 3 regions. Region 1, space above the topmost line. For example, before we go to the actual sketches which have been given for better understanding, suppose if I write as per the data, what are the data we know? Yn can be equal to Yc. Barabar means critical flow. Yn may be greater than Yc, that means subcritical flow. Yn may be less than Yc, supercritical flow. Barabar? Suppose if I write normal depth line Yn and critical depth line, okay, normal depth line here NDL and critical depth line CDL. Suppose if I write based on the mathematical expression, when Yn will be greater than Yc, when NDL line is, when NDL normal depth line is above the critical depth line. Do you agree, all of you? Yes, very simple. Very simple. If CDL lines is drawn below NDL, means Yn with respect to, suppose this is the bed, I can write this as Yn, right? Yn. What about this? I will take another color pen. What about this? From the bed, what should be this depth? This depth, Yn I have already written. What should be this depth? Means from the bed up to the critical depth line, what should be the depth? Yes, you know. When once I say for NDL it is Yn, it is obvious that any student will say quickly, as you said now, Yc. So, what you can see from this drawing, Yn is greater than Yc, right? Suppose you interchange. Suppose you interchange. I will write in the another slide wherever space is available. Suppose if I write this is CDL, okay, this is NDL, okay. In the previous case what we had written, NDL above, CDL below. However, bed slope will always be at below only, is it not? Now, with respect to these 2 lines which we have drawn to represent NDL and CDL, now immediately you can write down, this is, yes, you are correct, Mr. Yn. What should be this? Yes, you are correct, miss. Yc. Now, what you can say? Yn is less than Yc. Right? 2 cases. Without going for the printed sketch, I am making you to aware. And then we will go ultimately for the neatly presented sketch by Professor Taji sir. Because I did not prepare these PPTs. He is helping me. Every time, almost at frequent intervals of time, I should remember these people, faculty, those who are helping me throughout this online course. Is it not so? I should admire them for their efforts which they have put in and they are helping me. Okay. Now, one more case is there. Can you say now? Can you draw those lines? Write down on paper. Yes, anybody have written? Yes, you tell. What you have written? Yes? Yo, you are saying that. First of all, I have drawn the bed line. Very correct. Very correct. Then, sir, just I have written one single line or drawn one single line to represent NDL or CDL. This must be NDL or CDL, normal depth line or critical depth line, means both are in coincidence. Is it clear? Both are in coincidence. That means you can treat this as normal depth or critical depth YC. Barabar? Because we have drawn only one single line above the bed line, bed of the channel. Therefore, either it can be treated as YC or it can be treated as YN. Means what? Yes, you are correct. Yn is equal to Yc. Means all the three conditions you have seen. Now what he has written? Region 1 or zone 1. Space above the topmost line. For that, this you have to consider. This you have to consider. Topmost line means here CDL. In the previous case, it is NDL. That's all the difference. NDL or CDL. That's why I will write here also. Okay, let me erase this. Okay. Now I will write CDL this side. I can write here in red color I will write. So as to distinguish between these two. NDL लिखता हूँ. Means in the previous case this topmost line is NDL and bottom line is CDL. Write down CDL. You also write parallelly on notebook. Even though it may be wrong or it may be confused for you, time being you may be get confused. सर क्या लिख रहा है? NDL भी लिख रहा है, CDL भी लिख रहा है. मैं थोड़ा अभी शुरुआत में ही लिखा क्या दोनों? Have I written both simultaneously at the first instance? No. I have written first NDL, CDL and bed of the channel. In the second figure what I have written? CDL, NDL, bed of the channel. Third what I have written? NDL or YDL, only single line, below which channel bed I have written. Now I am interpreting, mixing up in a single figure so that you will not be get confused. Either this line is the topmost, that may be NDL or CDL, below which CDL or NDL. जब भी पहले आप NDL और CDL बोलते हैं, it becomes necessary for us to say CDL or NDL. You should not start from NDL or CDL for the second line also, below which we have written. बराबर? So, इधर से भी आप सीख सकते हैं concept. NDL or CDL. Correspondingly, CDL or NDL. Now, concept is clear? Yes. I knew that you will say yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Now, I will erase these things. So, region 1 or zone 1 is nothing but topmost line. Space above the topmost line means whatever the space here, this is zone first. Simply I will write Roman letter first. Region 2 or zone 2 is a space between the topmost line and the next lower line. Topmost line is NDL or CDL and next lower line is CDL or NDL. Means this space is a second zone or second region. Third zone or third region, space between the second line and the bed means this line. Are you looking at this line and the bed line? This is the third zone. So how many regions or zones are there? 3 zones. They are also known as regions. So depending upon these, the bed profiles, slope profiles, bed slope profiles will lie. That we will see in the future PPTs. Now, whatever I had written, handwritten and explained to you before even you look at for the first time the printed one, concept is clear. I have made the whole concept very clear to your mind. Am I right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, classification of channel bed slopes under the same title. Region 1. Now you can see zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. I need not have to explain because everything I have said. Dekho. Normal depth line NDL, critical depth line CDL. Corresponding to that from the bed slope is YC. Corresponding up to the NDL from the slope bed or channel bed or bed slope, it is YN. So, if YN is greater than YC, subcritical flow. If YN is less than YC, supercritical flow. If Yn is equal to Yc, if Yn is equal to Yc, which slope? Yes, you are right. Critical slope. Concept is clear? Next. First one, mild slope. For mild slope, Yn should be greater than Yc. Means that lies in the Yn is greater than Yc. Then flow will be subcritical, as I have already told 4-5 times. Slope is referred as mild slope. So when we call the slope as mild slope, when normal depth line, that is NDL, is greater than, yes, critical depth line CDL. It is very clear from the figure also. That means, in order to say subcritical flow, FR value, Froude number should be less than 1. S naught should be less than SC. Critical slope, channel bed slope. Oh, कुठे गेला? हाँ इधर आला और एक हाँ, it is positive. Okay, next. Steep slope, Yn is less than Yc. Yn is less than Yc. देखो अभी critical depth line ऊपर आ गया. Normal depth line is below CDL. In the previous PPT, NDL was at the topmost and CDL was below that. However, both are above bed. That should be made very clear to your brain. Both NDL line and CDL line are above channel bed. Okay. After that, you have to understand in this way. NDL may be the topmost line and below which CDL and vice versa. CDL also may come topmost line below which NDL. In the first case, Yn is greater than Yc. In the second case, Yn is less than Yc. Don't say Yc is greater than. That is also mathematically you are correct and I am also correct and everybody is correct. But when you are speaking from one particular depth, normal depth, always you should speak. If you speak like that, because you are studying for the first time. You keep reference of one particular depth. Normal depth or critical depth, hardly matter. But usually we consider or we speak first normal depth. So Yn is greater than Yc, Yn is less than Yc, Yn is equal to Yc. वो उल्टा लिख के वो प्रोपोर्शनलिटी का सिंबल चेंज किए तो मैथमेटिकली 100% करेक्ट. But I cannot express or define why I am saying like this. Why we should follow a particular depth. Because at the time, at the beginning, especially beginners or learners, if they follow systematically, then in future you will never forget and you will be never get confused. That's all the reason. Okay. So Yn is greater than and Yn is less than or Yn is equal to. When greater than, subcritical, less than, supercritical, equal to, critical. These things you should never forget in your life as long as you will remain as a civil engineer. Okay, boy? Okay, girl? Yes, students. Next, second, steep slope. Fr is greater than 1 because yn is less than yc. S naught is greater than SC. In the previous case, S naught was less than SC. Here also, don't use SC is less than S naught. Mathematically, it is correct. If I write SC is less than S naught in bracket positive, it is also correct. But don't interchange. Especially at the learning stage, have some consistent words. फर्स्ट कौन सा ले घ्यायचा, फर्स्ट व्हाट आई शुड से, उस तरह हुआ तो मेमोरी पावर will be very sharp. Remembrance will be very quick. You can remember very quickly. If you interchange at the learning stage itself, you may not be able to grasp quickly and remember easily. That's all. That is my personal maybe. My personal view maybe. You may also be correct if you interchange and do it. It is up to you. As a teacher, I am guiding which one is simpler. How you perceive and take it, it is up to you because you are also becoming engineers. Okay? Now, third one क्या था? Second one होने के बाद third होना चाहिए. So, but wrongly printed 4, that's all. और एक आता है, हाई क्या देखता हूँ, है. So, इसको भी 4 लगाया, इसको भी 4 लगाया, that's all. This must be third one, that's all. What is there in numerical value? But that is number just. It is not the value of that particular slope. It is just fourth one. That's all. So third one le lo. Critical slope C. You know. What is the condition? Sir, yn is equal to yc. Yes, it is true. Then flow will be critical and slope is referred as critical slope. Abhi bagaita. Only there is a single line drawn. ऊपर एक लिखा, मतलब दोनों एक ही जगह पे नहीं लिख सकता. एक adjacent to top and adjacent to bottom. Normal depth line NDL, critical depth line NDL लिखा है. yn is equal to yc. Zone 1, zone 3, zone 2 उड़ गया. That means another way to understand the concept, when yn is equal to yc, zone 2 will be absent or will remain absent. Only there will be zone 1 or region 1 and zone 3 or region 3. Is it clear? Okay, fine. That means for Faraday number is equal to 1, we know it. S naught is equal to SC, that is also positive. Fourth type, horizontal bed. So when theta is 0, that means when slope is 0, we do not call horizontal slope. Even we can say horizontal slope, there is nothing wrong. But we call horizontal bed because slope is 0. When yn does not exist, so in that case y naught will not exist at all. S naught is equal to 0. Then channel is referred as horizontal bed or horizontal slope. This slope is called as non-sustaining slope. It cannot sustain. It is non-sustaining. Conditions for horizontal bed is yn is infinity, S naught is equal to 0. All these things is shown here. That's why this arrow immediately yn is infinity likha hai. Matlab there is no normal depth exist. Only critical depth line. That means zone 1 is remain absent. Only there will be zone 2 and zone 3. Clear, my dear students? If anybody have doubt, confusion, difficulty, मैं तो धीरे धीरे जा रहा हूँ. Let us complete about 90 to 95% syllabus till the end of the semester. Hardly matter. But under any circumstances, 100% of that 90 to 95% must be completed. कळला का तुम्हाला? That is equally important. That's why I am going slow. During online lecture, I will be little bit fast. Why? Everything is explained here. And I have written on the slides itself wherever there is space available like this. I used to write and show. It is very clear to your brain. Further on online, if I keep on discussing in detail, you will be get bored. Because at that instant of time you used to watch the video shows and come to the class, join for online Google Meet. तभी पढ़ के आते हैं, फिर से उतना लंबा चौड़ा एक्सप्लेन किए तो बोर हो जाता है. Any human being will be get bored. There I will accelerate. Now I am going slow. Okay? So Yn is 10 to infinity. S0 is equal to 0. Okay? Let me move to next slide. Yes. पांचवा वाला, fifth one, adverse slope denoted by capital A. When Yn does not exist and S0 is less than 0, means negative हो जाएगा. S0 is less than 0, then channel is referred as adverse slope. Why it is called as adverse? This adjective prefix to slope, adjective is adverse. Adverse means opposite. Whenever we say water is flowing in one particular direction, left to right, if it flows back, that means it is adverse. That is because of bed slope is in the opposite direction as shown in figure here. Baga figure. Simultaneously baga figure. Here also Yn does not exist, means Yn is tending to infinity, but S0 is less than 0. In the previous case, S0 is equal to 0. Yn is infinity. That is the difference. That's why bed was horizontal. Now bed is increasing upward because of the slope is adverse. Okay? Only zone 2, zone 3 exist. Y seat is shown in the figure. That's all. References you know. K. Subramanya gradually varied flows. That means this particular book is covered maximum gradually varied flow only. Tata McGraw-Hill Publishing Company, very nice and standard. P.N. Modi and S.M. Seth. Really, these books are marvelous, yaar. When we were students 40 years back, we had this book. Means, with the voice with which or tune with which your teacher is saying before you, you should think for a while at least. Why sir is telling us like this? Again and again, certain things he will impress upon, stress upon the point. Why? There must be something positiveness that you have to grasp and perceive and follow. In any subject in general, I am saying not only in my subject and myself saying, many teachers, whenever they are stressing upon such points, you should open your eyes, ears, mouth, nose. You have to smell, you have to listen, you have to see, you have to speak means within murmuring. Yes, सर जो बोल रहा है वो बराबर है, ऐसा मरमर करायचा without bringing the voice out from your mouth, अंदर से ही बात करने का. That means that will stand very firmly in your brain as a dictionary knowledge. So in that way you have to remember the things. So R.K. Rajput, Bansal, I always used to say for numerical problems especially, these books are quite nice. Even Modi and Seth also quite nice. But why I also felt like that, I don't know. I do not know. You yourself, I will leave that on your head. Why teacher is saying these two are much better for numericals? You yourself gauge it and perceive it. Why I should say everything like spoon speeding? Is it not? Thank you very much for patient watching video show. So let us continue in the next class. Today we'll stop here. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Okay? Have a nice day. We'll stop here for today. Okay? Okay, man. Okay, man. We'll stop here. We'll stop here. And tomorrow we'll continue, or in the next class we will continue. Okay?